are doing good. Can anyone tell me what is on 17 May? Think. No? Okay. Let me tell you. It's my mom's birthday. Hooray! To show her my love, I'm going to make a pop-up card for her. So, if you want to impress your moms, take a A4 sheet like this. Then fold it like this. Then again fold it like this. It will look like this. Let's start with a gift box. First, we have to make a rectangle box like this. Then we have to draw the rectangle box like this with a scale. So carefully, like this. Make lines, okay, like this, carefully. So, a gift box is done. Now we have to make the heart here. Now we have to make the heart carefully. Now the another line. Now we have to make the little heart inside. Ta-da! Now we're going to open this. Then we have to write Mom. Okay? With a scale again. First we have to always start with the M. Make lines. Little lines. Yes. Only make a line that where the dots have drawn. See? You see the dots? It will make you very easy. Now we have to make the inside one, so it will look more beautiful there. Like this. Now we're going to make an O. Now we have to make the another M. Like this. What a beautiful line. If the line is wrong, you can erase it and make it again. And you have to see that where you are going. Now make another line. Ta-da! So I have done writing Mom. Look, it's very beautiful. Because every time the letters have to be beautiful. Now we have to make hearts. My favorite. like this. Ta-da! You can make more hearts. When Mom will open the card, then the hearts will come out of the box. So I am actually drawing some more hearts because it will look beautiful with more hearts. Because if it is wrong, but don't worry, we can erase it, then draw again. You can make any designs of your box with your own choice. I will make like this because it will look like a real gift. It will look like a big and real gift. La 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 la. It will look big and real gift. Like this. Now you can decorate it. I have choose zigzag because zigzag is my favorite line. A new pattern. You can make big lines or small lines. So we will not use the scale, only with like this. Now we're going to make the next line like this. Look how beautiful I am drawing the zigzag. La 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 la. But if it is wrong again, you will again erase it and join again. Easy. La 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 la. So friends, now the gift is done. Now if you will give it to your mom, then your mom will open the card like this. Then they will come all the hearts in the box. First, if my mom opened this gift, then all the hearts came out. Now, next we have to color the hearts. So, to color the hearts, we will get a red color and color it like this. See how I am coloring. It should be very beautiful because my red is the favorite color in the world. Look how beautiful the hearts are. Yes? Yes, the hearts are looking beautiful. Like this. You can color all the hearts red. You will not color rainbow, only color red. Okay? Now, I have colored all the hearts red. It will look like this. Now we have to outline the box blue with a blue color. Okay? Now we're going to color, make it the line very carefully. Like this. We're going So friends, be careful and make the line very slow. like this, very slow. Carefully. Then we have to again outline the ribbon blue. Like this. Next we have to color the heart red. Carefully. So carefully, first we're going to outline at the one heart, then we have to color it. Very carefully. Like this. Now the next one. Just be carefully. Like this. I have colored the heart red. Now we're going to decorate our box with this. You can get any color. I'm going to get color pink because pink is my favorite too. So I'm going to color the pink zigzag. Yeah. So it will look like this. Now the next zigzag. Okay, be carefully like this. Now the last one. Now our card will be almost ready. So now we're going to erase everything. Then it will look more beautiful. So we're going to erase the pencil color. Yay! Our card is ready. I hope my mom will like it. Now we're going to outline the mom's spelling with any color. Like this, like this. Now, next is O. Then M. Now I have done the coloring part. See how it looks like. It will look like this. When your mom opened the card, it will look like this. The hearts came out of the box. Guys, believe me, this is the sweetest card to impress your moms. Hope you enjoy my videos. I feel much appreciated when you like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.